Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to print statements. A statement shows information on the status of the accounts and what payments have been made and what is outstanding. A statement will include all of the transactions that occurred on the account, for example, credit notes, journals, etc. When the user draws an audit statement, the time span will run from the start of when the patient first came to the practice up until the current date. The user will have the option to choose between a statement and an audit statement. A statement is a document that summarizes certain information, and having the ability to print out a physical copy could assist greatly with further documentation and filing purposes. An audit statement is a complete financial statement that is compiled of all the activities that occurred on the debtor's account. Examples include invoices, receipts, and corrections from the beginning of the patient's first visit up to and including the current dates will be shown. In this video, we will print a statement from the Debtor tab. A debtor's statement or audit statement can be printed directly from within the Goodex web system. The user is able to easily locate the relevant debtors within the Debtors tab and download and print any statements from the corresponding debtor sidebar. On the diary screen, click on the navigation wheel on the navigation bar. The navigation wheel will open. Click on the debtor segment. The debtor screen will open. For more information regarding the debtor screen, please refer to the debtors list user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the search for debtor field to enter the name of the desired debtor that the user would like to access the account details of. Once the user has selected the debtor sidebar will be available on the right side of the screen. Click on the account details button. The account details screen will open. Next, the user may proceed to click on the statement button on the accounts details sidebar. The statement will download as a PDF document. Next, we will go over on how to print the statement the user just downloaded. Please note that the following print method will be applicable to the sections to follow in this tutorial video. Click on the downloaded PDF file. The downloaded PDF will open. Please note that the QR code is available on the statement to allow the debtor or patient to scan the code to make an online payment by making use of a mobile device. Click on the print button to print the statement. The print screen will open. Ensure that the following print settings are correct. Click on the destination drop-down menu and select the printer you'll be printing to. Click on the Pages drop-down menu and select whether the user will be printing all pages or selected pages. Click on the Copies text box and specify the amount of copies that will be printed. Click on the Cancel button to exit the printing screen without printing. Or click on the Print button to proceed and print a physical copy of the statement. A physical copy of the audit statement has now been printed. Return to the account details screen. Click on the drop-down menu next to the Statement button. Click on the Audit Statement button. The audit statement will now download as a PDF. Click on the Close button to exit the account details screen. Next, we will look into printing a statement from the diary screen. Statements can be downloaded and printed directly from the diary screen in the diary sidebar if the user has access to the relevant patient's booking. Without a booking, the user cannot access the required patient's diary sidebar. On the diary screen, click on the relevant patient's booking to open the diary sidebar. Click on the Download Statement button to download the statement. Alternatively, click on the Download Statement drop-up menu for more options. For more information regarding the diary sidebar, please refer to the diary sidebar functionality user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Download Audit Statement button to download the audit statement as a PDF document. Lastly, we will go over how to print the statement from the account details screen. A debtor statement or audit statement can be printed directly within the Goodex web system. The data information is available to the user through the Account Details button on the relevant patient's diary sidebar. On the diary screen, click on the relevant patient's booking to open the diary sidebar. Click on the Account Details button on the diary sidebar. The Account Details screen will open. Click on the Statement button on the Account Details sidebar. The statement will download as a PDF document.